Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove WhatsApp channel option. So first is to go ahead, open your WhatsApp that is installed on your phone. So tap the three dots on the upper right and let's go on our settings. Then tap your chats over here. Now once you're in here, go ahead and tap this chat back up, and then all you have to do is to tap back up in order for you to retrieve all of your chats from this version, because what we need to do here is to uninstall this version, and then we want to go back to the older version that we are used to remove the channel options that is available now in the new versions of WhatsApp. So once we are done, because it may take more time for you to back up your chats, then we want to go to uninstall. Just long press the WhatsApp app and then you go to the app info and tap uninstall, then tap OK. Then we want to go to our browser and then just type there WhatsApp old version, and then just choose from the choices here. So any will do as long as it's in the old version of the WhatsApp. And then I'll just try to tap this first version. And then all you have to do is to tap install. All right, so let's install and wait for this to download to our device. So make sure that you will choose the version that is not it's like this one, September 10. So not later September 10. And then just close all the ads and you are good to go when it's done downloading to your phone. So there you have it. In this way, we will not be worrying about the channel options on WhatsApp. So if you find this helpful, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.